Floworks AI claims it can replace your SDRs, book meetings, qualify leads, and run outreach, all with no human involved. So is your sales team obsolete? Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're reviewing Floworks AI, an autonomous sales assistant built for outbound teams. Floworks acts like a full SDR. It sends cold emails, follow-ups, qualifies leads, and books meetings on autopilot. It integrates with your CRM, uses AI to tailor messages, and learns which prospects to prioritize over time. What I like is how quickly it scales. Once set up, it runs campaigns 24/7 without needing breaks or motivation. The AI gets smarter over time, refining messaging and lead targeting, and honestly, it's faster than most junior reps. But here's the flip side. It can stumble when prospects push back with nuanced or complex objections. If you don't fine-tune the messaging, it risks sounding robotic, and no matter how good the AI is, you'll still need human eyes on strategy and quality control. It's not replacing top-performing SDRs yet, but if your sales pipeline is cold and you need low-cost outreach at scale, Floworks is a solid tool to warm it up fast. Thank you for watching How to Literally. See you in the next one.